Early ladies, taken by Arrogante. Running in second, Autumn Shower and Togatog. About to pass the last 1,000 meters. It's Arrogante. Arrogante by about 2 lengths over Autumn Shower. And Togatog is still racing in third. Past the last 800, it's Arrogante over Autumn Shower and Togatog. Rounding the fourth turn, it's Arrogante still in front over Autumn Shower and Tugatog. Approaching the last 400, it's Arrogante. It's Arrogante over Autumn Shower, Tugatog. As they turn for home, it's Arrogante by some 5 lengths over Autumn Shower and Tugatog. Down to the finish, it's Arrogante way on in front over Autumn Shower and Togatog. And finally, Eduardo G. Guerra on Arrogante. Second close between Autumn Shower, Togatog.